Say hi. I'm going to have my first bite of anything besides rice cereal. It's peas today. Huh? Say ah. Ah. What do you think? Do you like it? Maybe a little bit? Let's try another one. Ready? I'm ready. No, not so much. Peas are good for you, buddy. Yeah, let's try another one. Ready? This is a big one. All peas. Good job. Good job. Good job. See, we're working on keeping it all in our mouth. One more. Open up. Yummy. Not so sure. You're not so sure about those peas, huh? You're not so sure about them. I'll put a little more rice cereal with them. Is that yummy? No? Not so much? Say, Mama, what are you doing to me? Keep it in there. It's good for you. It's good for you. And nobody say, Okay, that one all came back out. What are you doing? Say yum yum. Say yum yum. I like my peas. I like them. Not so sure, huh, buddy? They're good for you. They'll make you strong like Daddy. Not convinced. Say bye-bye.